Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's Pie Maker Buttered Eggs. Now I've decided not to waste this yummy corny butter, so I'm just going to crack some eggs in there, turn it off and close the lid. The residual heat will cook those and they'll be great crushed on some toast with some avocado or something. Just close the lid. The heat there will keep it cooking. Okay, I didn't want to waste all that gorgeous butter and veggie salt and pepper, so I've thrown in a couple of eggs. And look at that, they're just cooked. They're very slippery. So you can slice those up with some lettuce on a salad. You've got all the gorgeous flavour of that brown butter in there. And it only took about 10 minutes with the heat off. Just the residual heat, and they're virtually little steamed eggs, and they'll be so tender because they haven't had any direct heat on them. And there's enough butter there to make another 4 if you want to. There you go. Energy efficient, tasty and tender. I'll show you what they look like inside. Oh, look at that. Take it out a little earlier if you want your yolk to be soft, but I actually want to put these in a sandwich, so that's the best way to have them. Take a tip from Heston, and don't overcook your eggs, and don't cook them on too high a heat. And they are so tender you don't need teeth. Thanks for watching.